Let's study the next problem. Find the gravitational force between a man of 50 kg and a car of mass 1500 kg separated by 10 meter. So my dear student, here we are going to find the gravitational force between a man and a car. So let the masses of man and the car be m1 and m2 respectively, and the distance between them be r. My dear student, therefore we can write m1 is equal to 50 kg, m2 is equal to 1500 kg, r is equal to 10 meter, and g's value is not given. We'll use g is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So my dear student, we will now put the values and try to solve it. F is equal to G m1 into m2 upon r square. Let's put the values. F is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square into 50 into 50 kg will write into 1500 kg we can write divided by r square, and r is given to us, that is 10 meter square. Now my dear student, we can write it in this way. F is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 50 into 1500 upon, we can write 10 square. Now my dear student, here we will try to arrange the numbers in such a way that we can write 6.67 into 50 into 1500 into 10 to the power minus 11, 10 to the power 2, we will take it in the numerator, so we can write 10 to the power minus 11, this is plus, right here minus 2. So my dear student, here we get F is equal to 6.67 into 50 into 1500 into 10 to the power minus minus plus, sign will be minus, 11 plus 2, 13. So we'll get minus 13. Now my dear student, F is equal to 6.67 into 50 into 1500 into 10 to the power minus 13 we have got. So F is equal to 6.67 into 5 into 10 we can write for 50 into 15 into 100 we can write into 10 to the power minus 13 as it is. So we can write F is equal to 6.67 into 5 into 15 into 10 into this will write 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 13. F is equal to 6.67 into 5 into 15 into 10, 1 plus 2 minus 13. F is equal to 6.67 into 5 into 15 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1 3 minus 13. F is equal to 6.67 into 5 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 10. 13 minus 3 will write 10. 13 is the greater number. Sign is minus. We will take here minus. Now my dear student, here we are going to remove the decimal point. So F is equal to 6.67 into 100 into 5 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 10 upon, here we have to divide it by 100 in order to remove the point. F is equal to, point is removed, 667 into 5 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 10, and in the denominator we can write 100, and 100 we can write it as a 10 square. So F is equal to 667 into 5 into 15 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. 10 raised to the power 2 will take it in the numerator. So we can write 10 minus 10 to the power minus 10 plus 2 is there, we can write minus 2. So my dear student, F is equal to 667 into 5 into 15 into 10 to the power minus minus will be plus. 10 plus 2 is what? 12. Sign of a greater number, then we can put minus 12. So we get 667 into 5 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 12. So my dear student, if you multiply this 667 into 5 into 15, we get F is equal to 5005 into 10 to the power minus 12. Now my dear student, here we have to take one point and a digit. So if we take F is equal to 5.0025 into 10 to the power, we will get minus 8. So my dear student, here the force is 5.0025 into 10 to the power 8 Newton. So we can write the gravitational force the gravitational force between the man and the car will be 5.0025 into 10 to the power minus 8 Newton. This is the answer. Welcome back, student. Let's solve the next problem. Find the magnitude of gravitational force between the sun and the earth. My dear student, here we have to find the magnitude of gravitational force between sun and the earth. Mass of the sun is given to us. Mass of the earth is given to us. The distance between the center of sun and the earth is also given to us. My dear student, the value of capital G is also given to us. My dear student, this problem is very easy, and let's try to find out the answer of this problem. Answer. Let the mass of the sun and the earth be m1 and m2 respectively, and the distance between them be r. Then, my dear student, here m1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg is given to us. m2 is also given to us, which is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. The distance between them r is also given to us, and r is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. The value of G is given to us. G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. My dear student, here we have a formula, and you all know that formula. F is equal to G m1 into m2 upon r square. So we can write F is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square into 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg into 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg upon r square, and r is given 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter square. My dear student, here we have written all the given value to us. F is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 2 into 10 to the power 30 into 6 into 10 to the power 24 upon 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 into 10 to the power 11. Now here, my dear student, we have removed the bracket. Now my dear student, here in order to make the calculation easy, we are going to take 10 to the power to the other side and arrange the values so that the calculation becomes easy. So F is equal to 6.67 into 2 into 6 into 10 to the power 30 into 10 to the power 24 into 10 to the power minus 11 upon 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 plus 11 we can write. Now F is equal to 6.67 into 2 into 6 into 10 to the power 30 plus 24 minus 11 upon 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 22 we can write. So F is equal to 6.67 into 2 into 6 into 10, 30 plus 24 is 54 minus 11 upon 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 22 we can write. F is equal to 6.67 into 2 into 6 into 10 to the power 54 minus 11, 4 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 1, 4. So we can write 43 divided by 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 22. F is equal to 6.67 into 2 into 6 into 10 to the power 43 upon 1.5 into 1.5, and this 10 to the power 22 we can take in the numerator, plus 22 will become minus. So F is equal to 6.67 into 2 into 6 upon 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 43 minus 22. 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 2, 2. So the 10 to the power 21 we can write. Now my dear student, if you observe it carefully here, we have to remove the decimal point. So f is equal to 1, 2. 2 decimal point we have to remove in the numerator and 2 decimal point we have to remove in the denominator. So we can directly write 667 into 2 into 6 into 10 to the power 21 upon 15 into 15. Now my dear student, the step has become very easy, and if we multiply 667 into 2 into 6 and divided by 15 into 15, we get 35.573 into 10 to the power 21. Now my dear student, we want point after one digit, so we can write f is equal to 3.5573 into 10 to the power 22, and therefore the gravitational force between the sun and the earth will be F is equal to 3.5573 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. The gravitational force between earth and sun is 3.5573 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. This is the answer. Let's study the next problem.